Everybody, welcome back. So I have an enormous box on the table here. Can't show you the whole box because I don't have enough room. So you got like half the box. But anyway, be that as it may, as you guys full well know, I've mentioned here recently about getting stuff from the Comblock market, and I found something that I thought was an excellent deal. I don't even remember exactly what I paid for everything now that I think about it. But anyway, there was a guy that had, let's see, he had two complete Mosin Nagant 9130 stocks. He had one Mosin Nagant 9130 lower stock. I believe he had an SKS stock and a Type 2, I do believe, Romanian underfolder stock. So I bought all those stocks from him. I want to say some total was about 300 bones, which I thought was excellent considering the price of Mosin Nagant stocks. And I've actually got in mind, I'm planning on getting some more 9130 barreled actions from Hunter's Lodge, like I did in one or two, I don't even remember how many of my past videos, because I know they have barreled actions with busted stocks. I knew I needed stock, so I was like, well, here's a cheap way to get some, a full Mosin Nagant. So, that's what I did. We're going to take a look at that today. Judging by the pictures, they look pretty good, but of course, you guys know as well as I do, sometimes pictures can be deceiving. I believe I got this from Kurlev. I think I'm pronouncing his name right. Hopefully, I'm not butchering it. But without further ado, let's dive off into it. Let's see what I got from the Comblock market, because I'm hoping it's pretty good, but we shall see. And I don't even know why I got the SKS stock, to be honest. I really don't know. I know Hunter's Lodge had SKSs. I got a Romanian one from them a while back. Try to insert a link to the video in here if I can. Okay, this is going to be fun. I'm actually going to move the box off of here for a second because there is so much crammed in here. I really don't know what all is in here. Oh wow. So this is impressive. We actually put it in a gun sock. That's cool. Well, that one's in a gun sock. Wow. This one's in a gun sock. That one's in a gun sock. I think that's all that's in the box. Whoops. Probably just broke something. Wow. So I'm super impressed. Looks like he threw everything in gun socks. I didn't even ask for that. I didn't know that's how he was going to ship it. He is definitely going to get some kudos from yours truly on this one. Let's check out, actually, I think I'm going to have to move all this off the table, and we're just going to have to go through these one by one. So let me set these to the side, and we'll check out the SKS stock for starters. Oh, there's literally so much room this stuff is taking up. Like I said, guys, I didn't even ask for him to put it in gun socks, but wow, I am appreciative. That's cool. I mean, I don't know what gun socks cost nowadays, but I'm not going to complain, that's for sure. So let's check out this SKS stock. Like I said, I have no idea in terms of, I have no idea if they got cracks. I thought I saw some pretty good photos, but I wasn't 100% certain. Wow. And that is an absolutely gorgeous SKS stock. You guys will notice it is the spiker style, but I do not see a single crack. It is missing crossbolt hardware. Missing a sling swivel. That is not a big deal. Those are easily acquired parts. I want to say I paid, I want to say this one individually was like, I don't know. Anyway. But yeah, that's, wow. That is a good looking SKS stock. It looks as though it's been refinished, or maybe it was just like a I don't know. Maybe that's the way it came, you know, just that light finish. But man, that is a gorgeous stock. I have zero complaints on that stock. Anyway, it was like maybe 50, I think. I don't even know. I don't remember. Let's see, what have we got in here? Looks like we have one of our slings. I think he had the slings on the Nagants. I'm not real sure. There's another sling. There are some Mosin Nagant stripper clips. I didn't even ask for it, but hey, you know, that's pretty cool. And then we've got in here, we've got that Type 2 folding stock, which is in great shape. That's really nice. I don't think this thing's ever been installed. That is awesome. What else have we got in here? Oh, there's the button and spring assembly for it. As you guys can see. Yeah, so the button and spring assembly is not right there. However, he did include it along with the pin and the little baggie. So that's cool. Yeah, Kurlev, you are getting some, you're going to be getting some very, very good feedback, sir. That's cool. I am very impressed with that thus far. And the gun socks was just, well, let me just probably keep this out. And the gun socks were just an added bonus. I mean, wow. Like I said, I did not ask for these, but they came with it. I don't think these were on the stocks either, but those are some nice slings. You know, they're old, but who cares? Wow. I love being pleasantly surprised like that. Let's get this out of the way, and let's look at these three Mosin Nagant stocks. I'm just going to start with the one on top here. Once again, just like the SKS stock, it is wrapped in one of those nice, I guess it's an oil impregnated sock. I think that's the way they do these gun socks. Let's check this one out. Okay, so this one has had a stock repair, as you guys can tell, and you can tell that it's got what appears to be a wooden dowel here. It's not, I mean, it's common for this to take place. It's not the end of the world. Doesn't mean you can't use the stock. Looks as though the critical area, the more critical areas, do not have any cracks. That's not a big deal, especially if I end up getting, you know, a couple beater actions from Hunter's Lodge. But it does have the hardware. There is a small, what appears to be arsenal repair up here, as you guys can tell. But I'll just kind of shut up for a moment and just kind of show you guys the general condition here. This was like 80. I mean, it's not bad. Not bad for what you get, in my opinion, because you'll pay a lot more. Yeah, it's got some cracks in it. It's an old warhorse, but you know what? I think it still has some life in it for sure. So that one does have a small crack. Well, it's got some repairs. Totally not the end of the world. Not complaining here. All right, let's grab the other 9130 complete stock. That's not a complete stock. Here it is. Sorry guys, it's a little crazy at the table here. Real estate is a premium, or is at a premium. Once again, wrapped in a gun sock. And I just nailed my light. Okay, let's see how this one looks. This one may be a repair job as well. I don't know. Okay. You definitely see some more wear on the butt back here. I don't see a repair back there right off the bat. That is a huge plus. Looking at the front, A little bit of rust going on, but I don't see any repairs whatsoever. Alright, so let's show you guys the condition. Got some cool stampings in here. Very cool stampings. Try to get some close-ups though. There's an H right there inside of that finger groove. There's a scratch running through there, but it's just a scratch, not a crack. Got a little bit of rust, a little bit of bare metal here. Got an E marking here. I can't even tell what that is. A little rough around the edges, but honestly guys, it is most certainly usable. This one had a 2478, and like I said, you can tell it's a little rough around the butt here, but that is okay. That is not the end of the world. That is a perfectly usable stock. And you guys can notice the difference right there, right off the bat on condition wise. And the nice thing is these have all the hardware. Alright, last stock. So I went ahead and got this one anyway. Those are 80 each. Went ahead and got this one anyway just because. By the way, YouTube, I am not selling anything. Sorry guys. I'm going to harp on that stuff a little bit because they seem to think I'm selling things. I don't know how that's possible. Whatever. I'm reviewing what I got. Thank you very much. Anyway, so this one was 60 that I had gotten, and it does not have the upper handguard, but I thought about it for a minute and I was like, hey, you know what? Upper handguards are easy to find for these, so I just went ahead and got it anyway. This one, once again, you know, it's had a repair there, which is pretty common. That's a pretty common repair point on these Nagants. It is missing the hardware. There's a scratch here. I'll just shut up and let you guys see it, as I try not to knock over my camera equipment. Once again, a little rough around the edges. And a repair here, but not the end of the world. Believe me, definitely not the end of the world. This stock still has a lot of life left in it. It looks good. There's a 2 here. There's a R Charlie 509. Butt plate looks good. Butt plates are on all 3 of these actually. I have to do a little bit of rearranging. I'm running out of room here. Hit my lights and everything else. Alright guys, so here's what I got. You know, I'm pleasantly surprised. This stock is especially in good condition, being the fact there's been no repairs done to it. This one has a repair on the butt. This one has a repair on the butt. Like I said, very common repairs for Mosin Nagant stocks. Of course, these two do have all the hardware. This one is lacking the springs and the bands. I understand because, you know, it doesn't have the upper handguard. Of course, beautiful SKS stock. Zero complaints about that. Once again, another beautiful Type 2 folding Romanian stock. The slings, the pack of Mosin Nagant stripper clips. I think it's well worth what I paid. You guys can chime in the comment section if you want to. And oh, by the way, one of the coolest things, 1, 2, 3, 4 gun socks on top of it. So yeah, I'm super happy with this deal. Yeah, he's gonna get some awesome feedback. Gun socks are always an excellent thing to keep your weapons your curios, your relics, things like that. Well preserved because of what they're made out of. And I mean, these are made by the Allen Company. They even have labels. Actually, that one's an Allen. This one's a Sackup. That one's an Allen. I think this one is also an Allen. Very cool. I am really happy, as you guys can probably tell. But anyway, always, always, always keep an eye out for stuff like this. You never know where you're going to find it. Like I told you at the very beginning, you never know where you're going to find stuff like this. I have things already in mind for these stocks because $125 barreled action, oh yeah, I'll take it. So yeah, you guys will probably see that in a future order from Hunter's Lodge. I just got to get that placed. I spoke with James the other day. Actually did get in touch with him, surprisingly enough, after I hadn't been able to for at least 3 solid months. And I had inquired about their barreled actions, and he's going to try to hook me up with a couple that have matching bolts, which is all I care about. As long as the bores are halfway decent, it's got matching bolts, I'm happy. So we're going to see what we get. Once again, that'll be in the future. Only God knows how long it's going to take to get that. I have no clue. But Kurlev, if you're watching this, big shout out to you, dude. I'm happy. Super impressed. Very happy with this. But if you guys haven't considered subscribing, please do so. Thank you guys in advance for all your likes, your shares, your comments. I will be going back through this video and try to put some detailed photos in here of where you guys can see this a little better. I know I ran it by the camera, but there's a lot of cool markings on these. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, you guys have a great day.